In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide done epics on a Jira roadmap. Whether you're looking to clear the clutter or simply want to zero in on what's currently in progress, this quick guide will help you achieve a more focused view with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the project you're targeting. This might be one that you're actively managing or perhaps one you've been assigned to assist with. Begin by opening your Jira dashboard where all your projects are listed. Find the specific project you're looking for and click into it. If you're not immediately familiar with the layout, don't worry. Once you're inside the project, things will start to make more sense. Now that you're in your project, pay attention to the top navigation panel on your screen. You're looking for the timeline feature, a tool that provides a broader view of your initiative. Click on Timeline, and you'll be able to review the various tasks scheduled and their current statuses. This bird's eye view is incredibly helpful when managing long-term projects, providing clarity on what needs immediate attention. Next, it's time to customize your view settings, which is a straightforward process. Head over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you should see an option labeled View Settings. Click it. This will reveal a drop-down menu offering various options you can use to adjust how you view your project timeline. This customization is especially handy for tailoring the layout to suit your immediate needs and preferences. Now comes the crucial step, hiding those completed epics. Inside the View Settings menu you've just opened, look for an option that reads Show Completed. Typically, this will be a toggle switch. By default, it might be set to On, meaning that completed epics or tasks are currently being displayed on your roadmap. To remove these from sight and concentrate solely on active and pending items, slide this toggle to Off. Once you make this adjustment, you'll notice that all the completed epics vanish from your timeline, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined look at your current priorities. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, your Jira roadmap has been decluttered, allowing both you and your team to focus on ongoing work without the distraction of completed items. It's worth noting that you can always reverse this process if you need to revisit past epics for reporting or review purposes by toggling the Show Completed option back to On. I hope this tutorial has made your task management a little bit smoother. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with your team or anyone else who might benefit. Until next time, keep pushing your projects forward efficiently.